Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of exponents. Before we solving this question, I'd like to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go and check for the playlists so that you can practice more in any of the topic you want to excel in digital SAT mathematics. We created SAT similar questions for you. You can pause the videos and give it a try to solve it on your own. So let's continue. Which of the following is equals to L to the power of 3 over 7 for all values of L, and A is given as the 7th degree of root L to the power of 3. B, we have L to the power of 21. And C, we have square root of L cubed. And D, we have L to the power of 3 over 14. So L to the power of 3 over 7. 3 is a numerator, which is on top. That's going to stay being on top of L. And the 7 just goes into degree of the root. So this is how it works for this. So the correct answer for this question is choice A. And I would like to talk about the other choices as well. This is already root L to the power of 3. If you will rewrite this as an exponent, this becomes 3 over 2. And this is given as an exponent. Let's write it as a root. So L cubed, but the degree of the root is 14. This is how you write these expressions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.